What's good? Welcome back to another Sneaker Mind episode. And yes, I'm here doing an unboxing for you today. We're gonna unbox the sixes. Picked them up at Dick's yesterday, and today I'm just gonna do the unboxing for you and show you how they look. Heads up, they do have a little defect that came with them. I noticed. I don't know if everybody had the same defect, but I noticed on mine I had a little defect, so I wanted to show you guys that. I looked at both pair that was at DSG yesterday, so I did go over two pair of them. There was only two left in the size 12. I wear a 12 in these. I like how they fit because of that sock that's inside of them. But first off, let's check out the box. I didn't want to keep you guys too long. I just want to do the quick review. And then when I do put them on feet, I'll do another one. I'm not going to put these on feet until my trip. I am heading out to New Orleans for the Mardi Gras Fest on the 10th. So I will be wearing these down in New Orleans. You will catch a bunch of flicks of me putting these on feet and just show you how I put it together with my outfit. I wanted to surprise you guys. I didn't want to show you guys now and do all that unfooting at the moment, but it's coming. So be prepared, stay tuned, and let's get right into it. So you know I gotta do my lace thing. I'm gonna try to do it in this video, but as I was thinking about it, I'm thinking about putting purple laces in these because I'd have a Lakers hat that I want to wear with this down in New Orleans. So I was thinking about putting some purple laces. You guys give me in the comment section below, what do you guys think about putting purple laces in these, man? These are solid. Just a nice pair of shoes, man. Nice pair of sixes. This is the defect. I don't know if you can see that toe. This is on the left toe. It's like the box or something kind of indented into the shoe. I'm gonna go pick up my spray I was telling you guys about. It's at Home Depot. There's like a good water repellent that you should be able to put on these. I'm actually gonna try lace up this one here since it has the defect and just show how it looks. But it comes with the Okra tag. Doesn't come with an extra pair of laces at all. It comes with the Nike little shoelace tag, Okra color. I was putting them at the bottom when I was lacing them up. I wear my sixes yesterday, which is these ones here. I don't have no tag on them. I just did them regular, old school way. Those are my baby, the Gatorades. And if you guys remember, the Gatorades also came with the white and orange pair that was similar to this color blocking. So tell me how you guys felt about those pairs. If you guys liked it, those Gatorades that dropped back then. Has a nice tab on it, like always. You pull tab here, very fancy. But this suede, definitely spray it. Being in the city, whenever you're gonna wear them. I know most people are talking about wearing them in the summertime, which would be a good time to wear these, just because of the suede. Seattle gets a lot of rain, so it's gonna be a little rougher for us to put these on feet regularly. This got to be situational, and you definitely gonna have to spray these if you wear them in the city around this time now that we're in. A lot of rain lately, a lot of just extra stuff going on with the weather. So take that call later. Didn't want to interrupt this video, but that's how I'm gonna lace mine. I'm not gonna go too far up. I think I'm gonna stay right here underneath the Nike logo right here. Inside the little thing, and just lace them like that. Simple lace, easy, quick, still cool and fly. Got the little Jordan on the back, Jordan Air. The leather's soft, good plush leather. Inside we got the black sole with the yellow Nike. These are a beauty, man. I really like them. Definitely got to get my suede protector soon before I keep touching them. Don't want to get them too dirty. Nice clear bottom. Got that fluorescent bottom back there. Got the yellow Nike. The black accents really good to it. I heard that these are sitting. If so, that's fine with me. I needed them for my trip. That's the reason why I had to get them the day of and don't play with it. Wasn't going to take no chances, but this is one of my outfits on the road when I go to New Orleans. Got that bright colorway, so I'm bringing that live stuff in. I'm also got a few other fits I'm gonna go in and show you guys what I'm taking down to New Orleans for my trip. But these are them, man. These are the 6 Okras. Unboxing. The box is dope. Shoes are dope. You guys tell me in the comment section if you hit, if you're waiting for them to go on resale or below retail, or what's your options on these. If you got them, tell me how you like them and tell me how you lacing them. You keeping your toe, your shoestring tag in it? Did you have any defects? Just leave it in the comment section below. And you guys have a great Sunday. I hope to see you guys soon, later this week. We have a major week coming up. I'm going to give you guys a video here coming up soon for the week of February, or the month of February. We got some SBs dropping. We got a bunch of things dropping. So I don't want to spoil it now. I'm going to get into it later. Please follow me on Instagram at SneakerMon87 and follow me here at SneakerMon on YouTube. Like, subscribe, and man, hit that notification button so you know when I drop things, and leave a comment. Tell me how you guys like these 6s, and tell me something else that you guys want to see on the next episode of Sneaker Mon. Peace. Have a good Sunday, and I'm out.